Now for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? Means here we have to find the value of this k, and condition is that both the equations should have no solution. So first we will recall the condition for no solution. So I am writing here condition for no solution. Okay, recall, you already know that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 should not be equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for no solution. Now we will compare our equations with that. So what it will be? 3x plus y, 1 I'll transpose here, so it will become minus 1 is equals to 0, and here it will be 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y. Again I will transpose, but before transposing always put the bracket, so sign will come correct, sign की गलतियाँ नहीं होगी if we will put the bracket. So always make a habit of putting the bracket. Okay, now we will equate. So here I know that a1 is equals to 3, b1 nothing is written there, so we will consider 1, and c1 will come minus 1 along with the side, and similarly here a2 will be equal to 2k minus 1, b2 will be equal to k minus 1, and c2 along with the sign it will come 2k plus 1. Okay, once you get the values, now we will put in our equation of condition. See here, a1 upon a2 means it will be 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to, now here b1 upon, so b1 is 1 upon b2 we will take it from there, so it will come k minus 1, then not equal to c1 is minus 1, and then upon c2, so along with sign it will come 2 minus bracket में 2k plus 1. Now first case we will take this two things. Okay, so we will write here case 1. So what it will be? 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 upon k minus 1. We will cross multiply, so it will become 3k minus 1 is equals to 1 में multiply करेंगे तो it will come 2k minus 1, 3 का दोनों तरफ multiply हो जाएगा, तो it will become 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. We will bring like terms, इसको इधर ले आएंगे तो 3k माइनस 2k माइनस 3, ये माइनस में 1 इधर आएगा तो प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, सो इट विल बिकम k, और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, सो k इज इक्वल्स टू 2. वी गॉट वन वैल्यू ऑफ k डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द केस 1, that k should be equal to 2. And here if I take these two conditions, it is of not equal to, so this will give me the value k value of k should not be equal to what. So again here 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to, now here observe minus 1 upon minus 2k plus 1, so minus and minus cancelled, again cross multiplication, so it will become 2k plus 1 is equals to, it will go that side, so it will become k minus 1, bringing the like terms together, so here it will become 2k minus k is equals to minus 1, and it will go there, so and here see it's not equal to sign, so this will be also not equal to, this will be also not equal to, here it will get k, and here k should not be equal to minus 2. This is one condition कि k should not be equal to minus 2, and here k should be equal to 2. Okay, so they are dealing in for what values of equation there will be no solution, so we can write thus k should be equal to 2 for no solutions.